timber frame pavilions. You've got some new stuff on location, so let's talk about the one that you're standing in right now.
Yes, we're excited to show you our new timber frame pavilion models. Timber frame pavilions are the newest and best in outdoor living trends, and everyone is looking to our timber frame pavilions for their new backyard outdoor living spaces.
It seems like an ideal setup too, especially if you want to like host a party or you want to be outside and grill. And
it is perfect. They're so versatile and they're so beautiful. We build all of our timber frame pavilions right on site here at our manufacturing facility in Ellington. They're all handcrafted, all true post and beam, authentic mortise and tenon joinery. And they are just really a beautiful place to spend your outdoor living. You can't beat the look of the timbers and the steel and the oak pegs. It's just beautiful.
And these are products that last too.
Yeah, these pavilions are rugged, they're strong, and they're built to last. As you can see here, a lot of our customers also just do the complete outdoor living setup with the kitchen space and the countertops and the fireplace and the gas grill, and it really just completes the whole outdoor living space. And these could go, next to a pool or in the backyard, or really versatile.
And folks who go to the Big E can get kind of a taste of the work that you guys do, and there's some deals associated with that if they do make a purchase, right?
That's right. Right now we're so excited because we're at the Big E. It's our 38th year at the Big E, and we have some great specials right now on different sheds, and of course these timber frame pavilions are 20% off. And we have a beautiful timber frame pavilion display at the Big E, which you can stop by and see that in person. It's really fun to tour our displays, show people our different products. And we have 4 timber frame pavilion models right on site here in Ellington. This model right here is called our Alpine. It's got this nice hammer beam style truss with the steel strapping. It's really one of our most intricate and beautiful designs. And as you can see, this has been fitted with the fireplace and the big screen TV, and just makes for a really beautiful space.
So in terms of the craftsmanship, I'm looking at this and think it would take days, weeks to set up, but you're telling me that you can do it all in one day?
It's amazing. These pavilions, this one we're standing in, would take us one day to build on site. We do all of the cutting off site in our shop. It makes for a quick, easy assembly. It's beautiful. We work with a lot of different landscape contractors and pool contractors who we help design the overall plan to make sure that fits within the property.
And are these also available as kits that you can build yourself?
They are. They're so simple to build. We can offer it as kits where you can easily, in a day, put these up yourself and save some money that way.
And last but not least, we're in the Jackson Pavilion. This is stunning.
This Jackson's been really popular. It's a really expansive design, as a hip roof with these big, massive arch glulam timbers. And the centerpiece in this pavilion is this really neat, it's called the boss pin up in the center with this really decorative timber. Everything comes together in one point, and this leads for some really nice, big, expansive design.
For our viewers at home who might be considering adding something like this, there's no better time to take advantage of deals than right now.
That's right. With our Big E sale going on right now with our 20% off, please come stop and see us at our Ellington, Bethel, or Big E locations for the best deals of the year.
If they go to the Big E too, you can get some good food while you make one of those purchases, so it's a win-win.
You can't beat it.